Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to buy a store on Shopify. Let's begin. Buying a store on Shopify is a great way to acquire an already established business with a customer base and of course a sales history. Now let me tell you that in the past, Shopify has a dedicated marketplace called Exchange where you can buy and sell Shopify stores. And of course, in this platform, you'll find a wide range of stores for sale, from starter stores with no sales to established businesses generating revenue. And of course, you can filter by category, sort by price, and of course, you can filter by traffic and revenue. But the thing is, the Exchange Marketplace app has been decommissioned starting November 1st of 2022. So that was like 2 years ago. Now, don't worry, because you can still find e-commerce or Shopify stores that has been already built or pre-built already, all right? Now, one of the platforms that we are going to show you is a website by MikeyCast.com, wherein you can find any finished Shopify brand for only $17, which is under 24-hour guaranteed delivery. All right. Now, you see, if you wanted to get to know more about this special promo, by the way, this is not a sponsored video. So we just have found this by accident. And they are offering like $17. And they are quite taking their risk, as so they claim. And of course, duplicate of all these promises. All right. Number one is create staff, get access to your Shopify store. Of course, denotes mandatory fields. Now, put all the details that you wanted. If you're not comfortable, you're not required to finish the video. But this is that you can try. You can test the waters. Sometimes you have to take risk, right? Put in your phone name, email address where they can send the access to, phone number, shipping address, country, and a lot. And after that, go to step number 2. Okay, so payment getting declined. So they have Cash App, Zelle, Apple Pay, and of course, you can email them at theecomgoodlife@mikeycast.com or text them at this number to grab your store. That is pre-built Shopify store. All right. Money back guarantee, 100%, guys. Ecom brand is a shortcut. So these are going to be some testimonials from Ada, Michael, Israel. Now, given that you have successfully accessed the pre-built Shopify store, all right, the second thing that you need to do is you need to conduct due diligence, all right? Check if the revenue numbers provided are accurate by asking for access to the Shopify admin or Google Analytics. You need to check inventory and suppliers, ensure the inventory supplier relationships and product quality are reliable. Of course, make sure you get all the necessary legal documents such as supplier agreements, trademarks, or any other assets that come with the store. Now, you might want to use the escrow service for secure payment and transfer, okay? Now, what is escrow? Escrow holds the funds until you confirm that you have received the assets and everything is as expected. All right. You deposit the agreed amount to the escrow account and the seller begins transferring ownership of the store to you. For example, I'm not selling, right? I'm buying, or you are buying. You put in the domain names and vehicles and a lot. For example, that's going to be a domain. And for what amount? Okay. And from here, click on the Get Started button. So let's try that for now. I'm going to put in domain because it's Shopify store. Click on the Get Started button. Of course, you need to sign up. Now here, you need to put in the start transaction information. But let me just confirm the email address very quickly. Now this is going to be the escrow. All I'm going to do is click on the verify my email address. And then click on view my transactions. We haven't done already. Let's skip and start a new transaction. Okay. For example, on transaction title, Merle's buyer, for example, item name is going to be maybe store for now. Maybe it's 69. And from here, all I have to do, let's say one, let's say one, let's say monthly, let's say that's gonna be September 30th. All right, so these are gonna be that. Okay. After that is once you have made the payment via escrow, the seller will initiate the transfer of the store. This includes transferring the Shopify account, domain, inventory, customer data, and other business assets such as social media accounts, email lists, or supplier contacts. And Shopify handles the store transfer process to ensure a smooth transition. Now, once the transfer is complete, Shopify will notify you and you'll gain full access to the store's admin panel. And of course, escrow releases the payment to the seller once you confirm that everything is in order. And from here, after taking the ownership, you might want to review the store's operations, optimize any existing marketing strategies, and manage your new Shopify store. You might want to try to rebrand it, introduce new products. For example, this one right here, I'm going to add a new product that I'm going to tweak the design and style. I'm going to add in more information about that. Gonna customize. I'm gonna add in some logo. Click on save. This is gonna be your first product for your new store that you have successfully bought. All right. And from here, there are multiple apps that you can use to boost your sales. All right. So there's a lot: Cliveo, Printful, Shopify Inbox, Shopify Bundles, and a lot more. All right. If you click on the Shopify App Store, there's a lot and that you can choose from and get the very best apps for your newly bought store. All right. And by following these steps, you can purchase an established Shopify store and start generating revenue faster than starting from scratch. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.